Have you ever seen something so strange it felt abnormal? This word helps you talk about things that are unusual or unexpected. Abnormal means not normal or usual. It describes something that is different from what is expected or typical. A common mistake is to use abnormal just for bad things. But it only means unusual, not always bad or good. Common patterns are: be abnormal, seem abnormal, look abnormal, or behavior is abnormal. Use it to describe people, things, or events. The test results were abnormal. His abnormal behavior worried the teacher. Seeing snow in summer is abnormal for this region. Anna noticed her cat was acting abnormal. It hid all day and ate less. She took the cat to the vet to find out what was wrong. Think of a red apple among green apples. That one red apple is abnormal because it stands out from the normal green ones. Now you know abnormal means unusual. Try to spot abnormal things around you. Practice the word and use it soon.